Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Phase 1 of Ahmedabad Metro project, which consists of 21 kilometers east-west corridor and 19 kilometers north-south corridor, has been completed at the cost of nearly 12,000 crore rupees. President Draupadi Murmu will present the 68th National Film Awards in New Delhi today evening. The government has deferred a proposal to make 6 airbags mandatory in cars by 1 year to 1st of October 2023. The Monetary Policy Committee of Reserve Bank of India today decided to increase repo rate by 0.5% to 5.9% with immediate effect. India has climbed to the 40th rank in the Global Innovation Index of World Intellectual Property Organization. This is a huge leap of 41 places in 7 years.